Hello families, how are you this afternoon? So disappointed that the COVID numbers are back up and that we can't come back to school on Monday. So I just wanted to let you know about a few updates that we are going to do. We are going to have 2 packets this week. The first packet is going to be your homework packet that you have been working on. Now, something's different about this homework packet. At the back, you are going to find a writing assignment. It's the second to last page and the last page. You are going to have your student do the writing assignment, and then you're going to send it to me. And back on the back page is the rubric of how the writing assignment will be graded. So I will put a copy of this in Teams, so your student can go to Teams and fill it out in Teams, or they can simply do this paper right here and you can just email it to me. Either way you want to do it is fine. The second assignment, you'll notice on the front it says that there are 2 assignments. The second assignment that's going to be turned in to be graded, this is the homework part, is there's going to be an Otis quiz in Teams. I'm going to put that up a little bit later in the week because I want to make sure that your child has heard this story more than once, 2, 3, 4 times. It's a comprehension quiz, so please don't help them with it when they do it. And it will be in Teams. It's a multiple choice. You just go in there and click, and then it sends right back to me, and I will grade it. So that's what's going to be different about homework. You're actually going to make sure that you turn 2 assignments in. Now, another thing with homework, I know that some kids haven't necessarily been doing all the homework because I can tell when we are in class. So I have packets, lots of packets in front of the school, and I'm also going to send you a copy with this message. The one packet alone is like 17 pages, and then the other packet I think is over 10 as well. So you might want to swing by the school and get them, and they're already outside. And this is packet number 1, the homework packet. The next packet that you're going to see, it says classwork assignments, okay? This is what you're going to work on with me, okay? So we get really squirmy just looking at the computer for 2.5 hours. So kindergarten team has worked together, and we are going to do some work along with looking at the computer so we can take a break and your students have something to work on. So you need this by Monday morning. Okay, again, it's outside the school, the front of the school on Stryker. And there are also, again, I will attach a copy in case you need a copy of it. So we're going to work on this together, so the 2 packets. Also, if you can return the work, that's great, that I can look at your student and see what they are doing. Not this week, but the following week, we're going to have our math assessment on counting from 0 to 10. So if your child is struggling with counting, not only counting from 1 to 10, they should be able to count from 1 to 10, they should also be able to count that many objects and tell you how many there are. They should be able to, for example, look at this and write down the number. Okay, so tell you and be able to write down the number. So that's an assessment that's coming up a week after next. If your child is having trouble with 0 to 8, that would be helpful if you could work on with them. Okay? And really disappointed that we don't get to see you. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Bye.